Hi, I'm Emily from Happy Houseplants, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Anthurium, or the flamingo flower. So we've all added plants to our homes and they add that gorgeous green, lush, tropical feel that we want. But to get colour is a little bit more tricky. Often we get cut flowers which don't last very long, although gorgeous. But these Anthuriums are an incredible way of adding colour that just lasts and lasts. They are a really robust, easy care plant. I mean, just look at that colour on that leaf. They're just absolutely stunning. They're a tropical plant, an epiphyte, which means they're the ones that you see clinging onto trees and their roots hang on, and that's how they survive. So tropical plants want bright light and humidity, although they're not too fussy, but the way of doing that is just put some pebbles in the pot and keep that topped up with water, and that'll evaporate around it. And the brighter the light, but not direct light, so they want indirect bright light, the brighter the flowers and the continuous flowers you'll get. They're an incredible gift. I've given my daughter's teacher one, and 2 years later it's still flowering and she really adored it. They're the gift that keep giving.